To create custom email signatures for your team, start by going to your Email Signature Manager in HiHello. Next, click the Signature drop-down to choose a design for an individual user. You can also click Preview Designs if you would like to see what all of the designs look like before making your selection. The majority of HiHello's built-in email signatures will take anyone who clicks them directly to the associated HiHello card. We also offer 2 HTML signatures, where each individual item is clickable. If you would like to customize what's included in your signature, click Manage Signature in the top right. You can use the toggles to select exactly which fields you'd like to include in your email signature. Please note that any changes you make in the Manage Signature menu will be applied to all of your HiHello automated email signatures. When you're finished selecting signatures for individual users and updating your settings, you can click Save in the lower right. If you would like to apply the same design to all of your users, click All Users in the top right, then select your design. Once you've made your selection, click Save in the lower right to apply the new signature to all of your users.